In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Mymind into a downloadable format. Now, this is a straightforward process, but it's always nice to have a step-by-step guide to ensure everything goes smoothly. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Mymind's website at mymind.com. It's a good idea to use a browser that you usually work with, ensuring that you have everything set up properly. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log into your account. This is quite simple as Mymind offers you the flexibility to log in using either your Google or Apple ID. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my Google account because it's a common choice and integrates seamlessly with many other services. When you click on the Google option, it will prompt you to choose the account you'd like to log in with, so select the one associated with your Mymind account. After successfully logging in, you should be comfortably situated on your dashboard where all your thoughts and ideas are neatly organized. Our next goal is to navigate over to the settings. You might find this at the top right corner of the page, commonly represented by a gear or cog icon. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the settings menu. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself a bit with this area as it houses various options that are quite helpful for customizing your Mymind experience. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled something like Export Mymind. This feature is incredibly useful for backing up your data or transferring it elsewhere. Click on it and you'll see a prompt asking you to select a folder on your device where you'd like the export to be saved. Now this part is important. Make sure to choose a folder that you can easily access later. This might be your desktop, a specific subfolder, or any location where you regularly store important files. Once you've selected the appropriate folder, the download process will begin. Mymind compiles all your data into a convenient file format. A file named cards.csv will also be saved. CSV files are great because they're compatible with a variety of applications, allowing you to open them using spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. This gives you a structured view of your data, making it easy to sort through and analyze if needed. And just like that, you have successfully exported all your Mymind data. It wasn't too hard, right? Being able to save your information locally provides a good way to keep your ideas secure and flexible for future use. Hopefully this guide was helpful, and don't forget to back up your data regularly. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional help.